Now looking into the terms IP tables and IP chains. IP tables is a user space application program that allows a system administrator to configure the tables provided by the Linux kernel firewall and the chains and rules it stores. Different kernel modules and programs are currently used for different protocols. IP tables applies to IPv4 and IPv6, ARP tables to ARP, and EB tables to Ethernet frames. IP chains is a free software to control the packet filter of firewall capabilities in the 2.2 series of Linux kernels. It superseded IPFWADM but was replaced by IP tables in the 2.4 series. Unlike IP tables, IP chains is stateless. The kernel starts with 3 lists of rules. These lists are called firewall chains. The 3 chains are called input, output, and forward. When a packet comes in the kernel, it uses the input chain to decide its fate. If it survives that step, then the kernel decides where to next send the packet. If it is destined for another machine, it consults the forward chain. Finally, just before a packet is to go out, the kernel consults the output chain and forwards the packet accordingly. Now, Linux machines use a program called TCP wrappers to wrap network services so that they can control access and get activity log records. By this tool, we can find the unauthorized attempts taken by a hacker by seeing the log. TCP wrapper checks 2 rules. The first one is /etc/hosts.deny and the second is /etc/hosts.allow. Logs the attempt, authorizes or denies the attempt, and builds an audit report. It only does this for services that have been told to take advantage of the wrapper. Now looking into just a basic way of how we can remotely connect to a Linux or a Windows operating system using SSH. SSH is a secure remote login protocol developed by SSH Communications Security Corporations, which is based in Finland. There are 3 major components of SSH: SSH Transport Layer Protocol, SSH User Authentication Protocol, and SSH Connection Protocol. SSH Transport Layer Protocol provides server authentication, confidentiality, and integrity of services, which is quite important when you are going to log in remote machine. SSH User Authentication Protocol provides client-side authentication on top of the SSH Transport Layer Protocol, and the last one, SSH Connection Protocol. It multiplexes the secure channel provided by the SSH Transport Layer and User Authentication Protocols into several logical chains. These logical channels can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as secure interactive shell sessions and TCP port forwarding. Now, log monitoring and traffic monitoring is a very important aspect of information security. Netstart command is used to see all the connections between source and destination addresses. By this command, you can see the type of connection between source and destination addresses. Example, TCP command or UDP connection command. Some basic Netstat commands are listed as follows: netstat -t -u and netstat -t -u-c. To see the connection graphically, we can use the tool ntop and vnstat. vnstat is a command line utility which is used to display network traffic logs, which is helpful for log analysis.